Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use emoji mashup in Gboard for Instagram. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. And the first thing we want to do is open up the Instagram application. So once you have opened it up, it's going to open up your main page right here, which is the home page from where we can get started with opening up our chat. But guys, obviously the first thing we need to do to be able to use the emoji mashup in Gboard is to go ahead and download the Gboard. So guys, the Gboard is only available in Android. If you have an iPhone, basically this is not going to be an option for you, so you cannot download it. But if you have an Android, you can go to the App Store. In the App Store, you can search for Gboard, and once you download the application and set it as your default keyboard, you can get started with opening up any chat that you want. So once you open up an Instagram chat, it's going to look like this, where you can get started with typing out a message, and your Gboard is going to look differently. So you're going to go and be opening up your emoji key on your Gboard as well and get started with typing out two emojis. Once you type out two emojis, it's going to go ahead and give you a preview of a bigger emoji that is a mashup of these two that you can send to somebody. So once you do this in the Gboard, it's going to automatically appear at the top of the keyboard to select the new emoji that you want to use. So as you can see in this tutorial right here, it says that you can add two together that wouldn't normally get together and just make new weird ones like that are going to automatically appear in your keyboard that you can then tap to send in your chats, and it's easy as that. So basically that's how you can do it. It's Android only. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So again, thanks for watching, take care and bye.